The Fibonacci sequence in nature. What is the Fibonacci sequence? The Fibonacci sequence is an aspect of maths which can be seen in everyday life all around us. In the sequence, the numbers are found by adding the two previous numbers. The Fibonacci spiral is formed by drawing a quarter of a circle with a radius of these following numbers continuously: 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 and 21. This can go on. This spiral can be seen clearly on the shells of snails.
The Fibonacci sequence in trees. As trees grow, they follow the Fibonacci sequence. They begin with one branch. They then still have this one branch as it grows. It then splits, causing it to have a total of 2 branches. Another branch grows and the tree has 3 branches. It then grows a little more and has 5 branches. After another growth, the tree has 8 branches. The growth continues following the Fibonacci sequence.
The Fibonacci sequence in the reproduction of rabbits. This case begins by putting 2 rabbits, one male, one female, in a field so there is 1 pair of rabbits. After 1 month, they have mated, but there is still only 1 pair. After a 2nd month, they have given birth to 2 kittens, so there are now 2 pairs. After the 3rd month, the original pair gave birth to another 2 kittens, making a total of 3 pairs. After 4 months, the original pair gave birth to yet another pair of kittens, while their first pair they gave birth to 2 months before also gave birth to a pair. In total, there are now 5 pairs of rabbits in the field. This pattern continues according to the Fibonacci sequence.